The Ultralytics YOLO models consist of a category of AI models for detecting objects in images and tracking them in videos in real time. In this video, we look at the Ultralytics Python plugin for Vision Agents. Vision Agents is an open source AI framework for building voice and video applications in Python. In this example, we want to integrate Ultralytics with Vision Agents to build a yoga AI instructor, so that using Ultralytics, we can detect and correct users' poses in real time. The Ultralytics Python plugin is available on PyPy. To begin, you can install it using UV and this command. I have already initialized a Python project with UV and installed Vision Agents. Before we integrate the Ultralytics YOLO plugin for detecting objects and tracking them in videos in real time, let's look at what we have for the Yoga AI instructor.
Dear, just step onto your mat and show me what your body fancies doing today. Remember to breathe and listen to its wisdom. I'm here to help you find that perfect alignment.
For the yoga instructor, we don't have any object detection whilst I'm speaking, so let's integrate the Ultralytics YOLO model. In the Python script, you have noticed I have added all the following imports. Let's add another import for the Ultralytics YOLO model. If I scroll down, you have noticed here I have defined an async main function and created a new agent in Vision Agents and defined all the following parameters. Once you create an agent in Vision Agents, you can also add an optional processor parameter. For this example, we want to add the Ultralytics YOLO plugin. All we need to do is to add the processors parameter and add the following fields. So we are using the Ultralytics YOLO post processor. So we specify the model we want to use and these other parameters. That is all we need to do to integrate the Ultralytics YOLO model in Vision Agents for object detection and tracking in videos in real time. I will save the changes and run the Python script again.
Oh, namaste to you too, my friend. I'm pleased to be your guide through this practice. Just step onto your mat, find your center, and let your breath settle. We'll move slowly and mindfully. What would you like to explore today?
So you have noticed we now have the real-time object detection and tracking using the Ultralytics YOLO model.